morning to all. Welcome to the Vedic Maths classes. I am your Vedic Maths teacher, Miss Garima Singh. I hope students, you all are well and good at your places. So students, our today's Vedic Maths topic is multiplication near the base method. In our previous videos, we have completed the topic multiplication of 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit and the last variable digit multiplication. Now in this topic, near the base method, there are two parts. The first, which we will discuss today, that is below the base method. The second is above the base method. This we will discuss in our next video. Today we will discuss below the base method. So students, let's start. Now first of all, I will tell you how you will take a base in this below the base method. See students, if your number will be a one digit number, this is a one digit number. So your base will be this one digit, so 10 and 1 like that only, so your base will be 10. If your number will be a two digit number, so your base in this will be, see, two digits, so 2 zeros and 1. If your number will be a three digit number, so your base will be, see, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 zeros and 1. Don't count 1 with the zeros. 3 digits, 3 zeros. 2 digit, 2 zeros. 1 digit, 1 zeros. And it will go as it is. If 4 digits will be there, then 4 zeros and 1. So students, this base method is only applicable for the numbers which are below the base. Like this 10 and 9 are closer to each other. If your number will be 28, then you will not take the base this. There is one different method for these numbers. Means your today's topic is based on the numbers which are near the base. Near the base means, as you can see, that 99 is closer to 100. 99 100 से बहुत close है. So your today's topic is based on the numbers which are closer to the base. Yes, जो base के बहुत पास होते हैं. Like 97, 98, 93, 92, 91, 89, 83 till means 70 to 100 जो numbers होते हैं जो अपने base से बहुत पास होते हैं उनके लिए ये multiplication method applicable है. Near the base means जो base के पास होते हैं. You will get it more when I will do the first sum. Our first sum is 9, 8. Now the first step which we have to do is we have to take the base. See, it is a one digit number, so your base should be one digit means 1 0 and 1 will be there. One digit, 1 0. If two digits, then there will be 2 0. See students, this method is only applicable for the numbers which are near the base. As you can see that 9 is closer to 10. 8 is also closer to 10. So this method is only applicable for the numbers which are near to the base. Like 86, 89, 72, 93. These all are near to the base. So this method is applicable for these numbers. Now what you have to do, see, first of all you have taken out the base. How you will take out, I have told you. Now the second step what you have to do, you have to subtract. First of all write your number and then write the base. Yes students, see, 2 minus 3 and 3 minus 2. There is a great difference between these both. Yes, If you will do 3 minus 2, it will be 1. But if you will do 2 minus 3, it will be minus 1. Same way, keep it in your mind that you have to subtract. How you will subtract? You have to subtract the base from your number. Means you have to write your number first of all and then you have to write the base. So 9 minus 10 is minus 1. So write here minus 1. 8 minus 10 minus 2. See. If you will do 10 minus 8, then it will be only 2. But you are doing 8 minus 10. So it will be minus 2. Students, you have to write the signs also. If there will be plus, then you have to write plus. If there will be minus, then you have to write minus. Now, it's over. Now it's done. Now you have to multiply these both with the sign. Yes. See, 2 ones are 2. And 9 minus 2. And then you have to do like this. The last step. 9 minus 2, 7. And this is your answer. See what you have done. First of all, you have to take one base. How you will take the base? I have told you. Secondly, you have to subtract number and base. Write the number first and then write the base. Number first, then base. Subtracted, whatever the subtraction answer will be there, you have to write here with the sign. Then multiply these both and solve this. And you can solve this also. See, 8 minus 1, 7. 9 minus 2, 7. You will get it more when we will do the second sum, third sum. (97), (93). See now. Now first of all what you have to do, the first step is take the base. Now how you will take the base? See, 2 digits, 2 zeros and put 1 here. Fine. Now the next step what you have to do, you have to subtract these both. Now again I am saying first of all you have to write the number and then write the base. First of all number, then base. So 97 minus 100, minus 3. 3 minus 3. 93 minus 100, minus 7. You can draw one line also here. Okay. So now multiply these both. Now 7 threes are 21. And solve this. You can solve this also. It's your choice. Answer will be same. See, 97 minus 7 is 90. And this is your answer. How easily you can take out the answer, students. These calculations I am doing because I have to explain you. You can easily do orally also these sums. I will tell you how. Now we will go for our third sum, which is a 3-digit sum. Now students, your third sum is 996 and 994. First step which you will do is take the base. Now how you will take the base? See, 3 digits are there. So your base will contain 3 zeros and 1. First step. Now your second step is you have to subtract these both. Now students, if you will subtract like this, 996 minus 1000, so answer will be in minus. Now students, you are familiar that your all numbers are smaller than the base. So whenever you will subtract them, it will always give you a minus sign. Because these numbers are smaller than your base. Our method is only for near the base method. Your base will always be greater than the number. आपका base हमेशा आपके number से ज़्यादा ही होगा. So it will always give a minus sign. ये हमेशा एक minus sign देगा. So you are familiar now. So you can put the minus sign directly. Yes, and you can put the line also. It's your choice. So put the minus before only. So you know that you will subtract 996 minus 1000, then it will give minus sign. And it's 994 minus 1000, then also it will give minus sign. Now subtract. Now students, one subtraction method I want to tell you so that you can subtract your numbers orally. See how. See 996,000 you will subtracting, so write like this. You are subtracting, take the carry. Now can you see one different thing here? See, your last digit is getting subtracted from 10 and others are getting subtracted from 9. See, 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Like, if I will rub this, then can you see that your last digit is getting subtracted from 10 and other digits are getting subtracted from 9. So this you can do orally also directly here. See, last digit you will subtract from 10. 10 minus 6, 4. And others from 9. See, 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 0 means nothing. Here also you can do the same. See, last digit you will subtract from 10. So 10 minus 4, 6. And others from 9. See, others from 9. So 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 0 means nothing. See, this subtraction method you can use for the numbers which contain 1000, 10,000, 100, 10. Means for these type of numbers which contain zeros and 1, you can use this subtraction method and you can subtract directly. How you will subtract? The last from 10 and others from 9. Now students, next step, our multiply. Now multiply these both. 6 4s are 24. Now one more thing students. In our previous question you are getting 21. So you have written 21. But here you are getting 24 but you will not write 24. See students, whenever you will multiply these both, it should be the same number of digits, the same number of zeros. Previously the base was 100. So 21 is right. But here your base contains 3 zeros, 3 digits. And here is 2 digits. So make it 3. Understanding? Means whenever you will multiply, it should be the same number of digits, same number of zeros. The number of zeros and the number of digits should be same. Now it's 3, it's 3. Now solve this. Either solve this, answer will be same. Now 996 minus 6 is 990. And this is your answer. Now students, I hope you are getting it. We will move to our last sum now. Students, it needs practice. If you will practice it one time, you can do all the sums orally in your mind. So the last is fourth sum, 996 981. And students, one more thing, you will only get it when you will do it. Yes, try to do it at your home with the method which I have told you, the subtraction method. Use the subtraction method also. Try to do it with that method and you will definitely find it very, very easy. So first of all, the first step which you always do is take the base. See, 1, 2, 3 digits. So your base will contain 3 zeros. Now this is smaller, this is greater. So you know minus sign will be there. Because you will subtract 996 minus 1000. So minus sign is there. Now the next is what you have to do. You have to subtract these both. Now don't subtract like this. No, I have told you the method. The method is last from 10 and others from 9. Subtract this last digit from 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Then 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Nothing. Now subtract this. See, last from 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Then this from 9. 9 minus 8, 1. And 9 minus 9, 0 means nothing. Directly you can subtract last from 10 and others from 9. Now multiply these both. 19 fours are 76. Now you can see in the previous question also I have told you 2 digits, 3 zeros. Number of digits, number of zeros should be same. Here, see 2 digits, 3 zeros, so 3 digits, here 3 digits. Now it's the same. See 1, 2, 3 digits, 1, 2, 3 zeros. Fine, you have to say. It can be like this also. 3. Here, in case of 76, 3 can also be there. So you will put 2 zeros. See 3, 3. Okay. Now see, now do the rest. You can solve like this also and you can solve like this also. See, when you will do 996 minus 19, it will take time. So I am solving 981 minus 4. See, 81 minus 4. See, 81 minus 1, 80. Then 79, 78, 77. So 977. Fine. So this is your answer. Students, I hope you get my today's method, the multiplication near the base method. With this video, I have given you the practice PDF. Do that practice PDF in your Vedic Maths notebook. And students, please use the same method which I have used here. If you will practice it, definitely you will find it easy and you can do the sums orally also after 7 to 8 sums. So students, our today's topic is multiplication near the base method. In this, we have done today below the base method. You can see that your all numbers are below the base. This is your base and these all numbers are below the base. Now students, in our next video we will take the same topic but the part will be different. Today is below the base method. Your second part is above the base method. You will find it really easy students if you will practice it. So make sure students you watch every single video and stay tuned to my video to learn more. Thank you.